Lahat ng viewers ko. ID, hello. Uy, thank you, thank you. Wow, pang birthday gift ba yan? Uy, thank you so much. XT, thank you. Taga saan ka, XT? Happy birthday, thank you. Thank you, Ate Ams. X, thank you, X, ha. Jane, hello. Patristar nyo na ako. Regalo nyo na yan sa ano ko, sa birthday. What do you mean? Wait. I will transmit. Happy birthday. Thank you so much, X. Make me 3 star. Thank you so much. Much appreciated po. Topak, thank you, Topak. Hi, Camille. Ay! Thank you. Pakisme niyo ako. Birthday gift. Thank your name. Sundown. Gastro, thank you so much. Make me 3 star. Thank you, Iman. Magandang umaga, Biana. Magandang umaga po. Shoutout po sa lahat ng viewers ko. Rama, hello. Uy, thank you. Thank you so much. Love talaga. I'm so happy. I'm so happy today, X. Thank you for make this OA. Super OA mo, girl. My God. Thank you so much. I want kiss me gift you have. Can I? Can I kiss me gift? This one. Nasa Harding ba ito? Hindi, nasa Ilog. Likod ng bahay namin. Guys, pakismin niyo ko. Kung ano ko lang eh. Yes, no problem. Renorio, hello. Thank you so much. Wait, wait. Yeah. Hi, Bar. H, hello. Yes, wait a minute, X. Thank you, BHR. Palihog sa ko cellphone. BHR, thank you. I will message you to my second account, okay? Thank you, BHR. What is your name, BHR? Right? Make me 3 star. Jupiter, hello. Hello.
Oh.
Make me 3 star. X. I will message you. Done. X. X. Baka may asin. Wala pong ahas dito. My account kasi is banned for 1 year. Rana, hello. I cannot reply. Message me to my second account. I can see it's this one. Okay, I will comment here. Wow, thank you. So cute. Thank you so much, BHR. I will message you. X, done. See. Okay. Then, that's one. Oh, that's one. Yeah. Click my name. That's my second account. X. Hello, Red Ball. Red Ball. Red Ball ba yan? Bigay nyo na sa akin ngayon, birthday ko. Jupiter, hello. Pang birthday gift lang. Hello, pahinga. Zegs, hello. Dix, thank you, Dix. Make me 3-star, guys. Happy birthday. Thank you. Francis. I'm Ella. Hello. Oh. Thanks, welcome back. Do you see my second account?